Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain the basics of video synthesis. Let's begin! Let's start! Some materials have alpha channels that represent opaque parts and others do not. It is very easy to synthesize materials with alpha channels. In addition, even if the material does not have an alpha channel, if the background is a single color such as a green or blue, you can easily set the alpha channel. Photoshop layers are read as images with alpha channels. Place the material with the alpha channel on the track above the video clip. This is how the synthesis is automatically operated. To synthesize materials that do not have an alpha channel, you must specify an alpha channel. If it's like a green background material, you can easily specify the alpha channel using effects such as Ultra Key. I used Ultra Key to designate and synthesize alpha channel from green background material. After combining the materials, we will have a video like this. In the next section, we will explain how to use the Ultra Key for specific synthesis. This concludes the explanation of the basics of video synthesis. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.